Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anushka here and today I will be reviewing this, and this is Biotique's face moisturizer, Bio Morning Nectar, and it claims that it's for all skin types, which I'll let you know है यानी थोड़ा और आगे वीडियो में. उससे पहले I'm going to read what's written on their packaging. It's written that Ayurveda Skin Life Source Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer is a refreshing lotion that hydrates and nourishes skin, reduces and prevents the appearance of dark spots, pigmentation and fine lines, keeps skin fresh, light and bright. So what it's claiming basically is that it really hydrates your skin and nourishes it, and जो भी dark spots है face पे because of acne or something वो नहीं दिखेंगे, और they'll basically fade away if you keep using this. Now, how to use? Apply evenly over cleansed face and neck morning and night for best results. Apply after serum, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Organically pure and preservation free, dermatology tested for safety, no animal testing. Okay, so this brand is Ayurvedic, so सब कुछ इसमें natural है, कोई भी chemicals नहीं मिलेंगे इस product में आपको. So अगर आपकी skin बहुत sensitive है और बहुत ही like it's acne prone, then I would suggest using this because my skin is acne prone and I get really bad acne on my face if I use something, you know, जिसमें बहुत ही केमिकल्स हो या फिर कुछ भी नया. जब भी मैं कुछ भी नया प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करती हूँ आई एम वेरी स्केप्टिकल, which is why in every video I start I'm like I was skeptical about this product first because I am scared to use anything on my face after that whole NYX foundation fiasco happened. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it here or in the description box as well, so you can check it out. But yeah, after that I am scared to use literally any new product, so I do my research and then I decide whether I should buy it or not. So if I'm showing you this, then it means it works. Okay, and this is the second bottle. Like मैं already इसको एक bottle खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. I use this a lot, and usually मेरी skin बहुत oily हो जाती है अगर कोई भी like this is the scale, right? Dry skin, oily skin, and this is a combination. So mine is like somewhere here, combination, but sort of towards more oily skin पे. Yeah, so समझ आया तो. So I think you should definitely give this product a chance because it's really good, and I just can't stress enough on the fact that it actually works for acne prone skin. I haven't my skin hasn't reacted in a bad way, in a negative way because of this. I'll just show you the consistency, and in normal bottle I just open the cap and just have to press it and you get the foundation. मैंने इतने फाउंडेशन रिव्यू कर रहा है क्या मेरे को बोलने में फाउंडेशन आता है? नहीं, no, not foundation. Okay, so here is the moisturizer. It's very slippery and इसकी इतनी like थिक कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, और ये बहुत जल्दी स्किन में अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, और ये वो ऑयली वो नहीं वो when you apply a Pond's moisturizer or like Pond's की cream and वो oily feeling होती है बहुत ही, and it's very thick. It's not like that. It's very slippery and watery, and if you just do this, it gets absorbed into your skin, and बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है मेरे को ये, because ये वो heavy feeling नहीं देता. क्योंकि I used to use Pond's and Nivea, and I've tried literally every moisturizer and cream that is out there, but I stopped using moisturizer for like a year because इतना बुरा हाल हो जाता था मेरे face पे. I used to get acne after using Pond's or any sort of moisturizer. So I was like, what is happening? So I stopped using any moisturizer, and then I was just searching for some because मेरी skin बहुत like lines आ गई थी मेरे face पे, and basically बहुत बुरा हाल हो गया था मेरा. So yeah, I then came across this and I haven't gone back ever since. So if I am saying that you should go for this, then that means you definitely should because it works. It doesn't make your face oily, and agar like if you use it before applying your foundation, and if you're not using a primer, then also it will make your foundation stick onto your face, and you know like your foundation will just glide on really smoothly. And yeah, your foundation isn't gonna go anywhere for like a few hours. Like I tried it for like 2 hours and it was like still there, it didn't budge. But I can't say more than that. उससे like it's not a primer, so foundation के बारे में इतना वो मत करो कि 2 घंटे ज़्यादा नहीं चला तो ये it's not supposed to do that. Moisturize करना नहीं करता है बहुत अच्छे से moisturize, और plus it says that it removes your dark spots, and in my case it has really helped me क्योंकि आफ्टर एक्ने वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे स्पॉट्स आ गए थे मेरे फेस पे, एंड आई लाइक आई सेड मैंने एक बॉटल ऑलरेडी ख़त्म कर दी है स्किन, सो इट डिड हेल्प मी अ लिटिल. एंड इसको लगा के आई स्वेयर मेरी स्किन इतनी सॉफ्ट हो चुकी है, लाइक बेबी सॉफ्ट. बहुत सॉफ्ट स्किन हो गई है मेरी. इसमें सब कुछ नेचुरल है, कोई भी केमिकल नहीं है, और इसमें जो 200 रुपये में प्रोडक्ट जितना मिल रहा है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. और लाइक इट्स लाइक वैल्यू फॉर मनी. 120 ml for 200 rupees is perfect. जो इस पे लिखा है कि it's for all skin types, yes it is for all skin types because my mother has really dry skin and I have, like I said, oily and combination के बीच में, and it is working really well for me. So अगर आपकी dry skin है you can definitely go for this. Also I use this in summers as well because you gotta moisturize your face, honey. You do. Summer, winter, doesn't matter. Moisturize, which I didn't do before. But now that I have the perfect moisturizer, I will. And I wouldn't be giving it such positive feedback if it didn't work, because we don't do that on this channel. We are very truthful about our reviews. Yes. Which is why I'm telling you, you should definitely go for this. Okay, so that's all. I've shown you the consistency, I've shown you like, you know, the bottle, and I've told you whether it works or not. So now it's all up to you if you wanna buy this or not, but I would really suggest that you should definitely try it at least once. If you don't like it, okay, but I'm sure you will. Nobody hates this product because it's damn good. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos.